So I will show you how to use Kick using your mobile phone. For that, the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So number one thing is go to the Play Store and then go ahead and search Kick in the search bar. Simply go ahead and search for the Kick application. And once you do that, simply install it. And once you have installed it, just go ahead and open it up. Once you have opened it up, you will see the application right here. So the application will work seamlessly. So you simply have to create an account if you don't have one, or log into your account if you have one. So go to the top and you will see login or sign up option on the top right corner, and simply go with the sign up if you don't have an account. So give your credentials right here, and that will do it. So that's pretty much it. That is how you guys can use the Cake application on your mobile phone. I hope you find this really helpful. Take care. Bye bye.